There's a reason Metro Nissan Montclair has consistently been the most trusted car dealership in the area. Sure, we can brag about our luxurious outside lounge and patio, and even the fact that we're located right off the freeway. But here at Metro Nissan Montclair, we're more than just the little things. Our family-owned business has welcomed its customers as part of the family for over 50 years. While you might be used to salespeople being paid on commission, we're unique in the sense that we pay based off of customer satisfaction. This means you come first. With over 400 vehicles available at all times, you can be sure that we have a vehicle that's right just for you. If we don't have it, it probably doesn't exist. Not in the market for a new vehicle? Not a problem. We'll be happy to service your current one and make sure it's running strong for the long haul. All this while making your experience as painless as possible. We also have charging stations for any electric vehicle. Our goal is to get you out as quickly as we can. Schedule an appointment, bring in your car, and let our service technicians take care of your vehicle. You can take advantage of our free Wi-Fi and get your work done while you wait.
We are Metro Nissan of Montclair. Nosotros somos Metro Nissan de Montclair.